Hey folks, Ron Howard, Xtreme Sequences. I'm back at it again. I have a follow-up video to my bulk editing video that I shared earlier. There's something I didn't include in the first one that I probably should have, but I really want to share it right now. I'll make this very quick. This is all about bulk edit and value curves. As you guys know, I love value curves. So let's get into this. I have a song. It's Twisted Jingle Bell. We're just going to do this section here. If we look at this, I'll play just a couple seconds of it. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. And that's all we need to see. And there are 4 models we're concentrating on. That's going to be icicles, spinners, and the mega spinners, both of them. And what I want to do is show you how we can impact several effects at one time with value curves to make them change based on the timeline. If you look here, I'm using beats. I could change it to note onsets. I could leave it on beats. And you know what? Now, for the purpose of this, let's leave it on... Oh, I'm so tempted. No, we'll put it on beats. It'll be faster that way. What I want to do is, again, select each of these effects that I want to have an impact on. And here we go. I've selected 4 of them. I want to go over here to the hue, and I want to right click and choose bulk edit. I want to make the hues of these colors change across the timeline. So there's our bulk edit. I'll click on this guy right here for the value curve and open up this window, and notice how it's flat. What we have the ability to do is click on custom and then start choosing where we want to put these marks. So perhaps we put this one up here, and every 4 I'm going to drag it somewhere else just to be different. And let's just 1, 2, 3, 4. And for illustration purposes, it doesn't have to be perfect. We just want to convey the message that you can do this. Let's go up here, and let's go here, and then we'll just bring this guy all the way down. And there's our value curve for changing the hue. We'll click OK and OK. We give this about 3 or 4 seconds, and you'll see this pop up with the changes. Just do a little background rendering. Oh, I think my G5's almost ready to be tried out. Sweet. Okay, so I'll pull the big screen back over so that we can see the effects. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. That's kind of cool. I like that. That's different. Based on the timeline, we're changing the hues of the selected colors throughout all 4 effects, or 4 models, that is, and the effects, and that's pretty ingenious, I think. So let's take it a step further. Maybe we want to add that same value curve to a different effect or parameter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in here to this, and I'm going to tell this I want to export this, and we'll call this value curve 3. And just put that on the desktop, say OK, and we can either do brightness, we can do contrast, sparkles. Let's do brightness. Let's right click on brightness. We'll do bulk edit. We'll click on this guy up here, and now we can load what we saved, that value curve. It's the same one, it's a mirror image. We click OK and OK for the bulk edit, and now we've applied that same value curve to the brightness as well as the hue. Now there isn't anything we can do in these sections over here. I've looked at this. There's no way to apply a bulk edit within the actual effect, but maybe that's coming. Maybe that's something later that could happen. Don't know. No crystal ball here, brother. But this is still pretty cool. So let's take a look at this and see if there's any type of noticeable change. Here we go.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle
Oh yeah.
all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse
All I can say is dilly dilly. Don't ask what that means. Don't ask. I can't tell you, but it's really funny if you knew. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed watching that little part. Again, the bulk edit thing is just so cool. So I'm glad I could share this little bit with you. I'll stop now and let you guys process this, and hopefully this video looks a lot better than my last one. Take care, guys. See ya.